Good morning. Going to spend a bit of time on the old T4 this morning. I'm glad I'm in here because look what we got. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right. Now I've taken the wiring loom from right behind the dashboard out all the way along. And there is some damage. I'm glad I have, because doing all this work that I've done and for this to catch fire later on, I don't think I'd have been too happy. So this has got to be done. There's no two ways about it. This is the wiring loom. If you have a look, it's just absolutely gone. And I do believe, I've got to find it. It's here somewhere. Where is it? I'll find that later on. But what's happened is someone thought they'd put a new piece on the end of this, which is a connector, and that'll save them. But I don't think they looked at all the mess that was going on underneath here. I don't know where. It's there somewhere. It is there somewhere. I thought it would have been down here. I'll find it in a minute. It's got to be around here somewhere. But this is the bit that they've actually connected it to. I mean, obviously it's burnt to there, and I think they put a new piece on there. Hoped it was going to work, and yeah, we could have burnt the rest of the car out there. Now this could have become a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this wiring loom. It's not that bad, not really. It's just stuck to it, and there's a couple of pieces where it's actually burned through to the to some of the live from the earth wire. So we'll get that done and move on for there. So that's one of the things that I've got to get done today, and I'd like to get the immobiliser done, but looking at that rain, I might be thinking twice about it, I'm telling you. It'll have to be done next week because I've got things to do. Right, thought I'd keep you catching up, and I'm just going to get the wire all ready for it and then just cut it in. Catch you later. Bye. Okay, all that mess is now looking quite pretty all the way along. It's all nicely tidied up. All we got to do now is we can start to put this interior back together again now. Still raining? Yeah, of course it is. Absolutely brilliant. Right, we're actually getting somewhere now, and everything's all heat shrinked in and whacked up, and then we're going to have a crack at those indicators. They're annoying the hell out of me at the moment, but we will get there. Right, leave it to me. Okay, final part, we're done. It's all back together here. I've got screws, bolts missing all over the place, but they're more than capable here to actually put that right. So, but my dashboard, you have a look at my dashboard, got the old indicators working now, and the horn, and that is and it starts on the key. Absolutely starts on the key. Fire it up again, and it starts up on the key. It's been a good day really, even though it's hammering down with rain, but I'm done, and I quite enjoyed doing it really. I mean, a lot of people walk away from it, but I did enjoy doing it, and as I say, everything works now that I wanted to work, and I've just got to clear up now, and I'm going to leave them to put it all back together again. And those beautiful glow plugs. Yep. Oh, that was the other thing, glow plugs, wasn't it? I've actually now got the glow plug wire actually plugged in now, but I've disconnected the glow plugs off from the main wire, so obviously there is a short on one of them glow plugs which is causing that issue. But yeah, good result, cracking result. I'm chuff as Larry, I'm telling you. Anyway, if I keep going on it, we're never going to. But I'm going to go home and get something to eat now. That's my job done, and I am going to make the weekend. Come and see the boys up there. Come on, Newcastle, here we come. Thanks for watching, but my bit's done. Cheers, bye.